Jai Srimanarayana. First sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Abhayam Sattva Samsuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi Dhanam Damascha Yajñascha Svadhyayaha Tapa Arjavam. Om. Try to inculcate the following qualities to become a divine person. Make sure you are always fearless. Make sure your mind is pure. Make sure at least every day once thinking about yourself, not the body. And keep donating generously things to the needy. And you must have self-control. Keep on performing your activities as a service to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Keep at least listening to one of the scriptures or reading our scriptures should be your day-to-day routine. Keep on thinking about what you have read, what you have heard about our scriptures or the divine stories of Sri Krishna Paramatma. And you must have oneness in your thought, word and deed. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely try to inculcate all those divine qualities you have mentioned to become a divine person. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಓಂ ಹರಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 309th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya and his wives, along with his parivaram, they all worshipped Sri Krishna Paramatma and left Yamuna river and went into ocean to his own place. Soon after Kaliya left, Anugrahat Bhagavataha Kridamanusharupinaha, by Sri Krishna Paramatma's grace, that Yamuna river became free from all the poison and filled up with so much of nectar like water. Like that, when Sri Suka Yogindra said, Parikshin Narendra asking, O Yogindra, why did Kaliya had to leave his original place and come into this Kalindi river, Yamuna river? What is the quarrel between Garutman and Kaliya? Like that, when Parikshin Narendra asked, Sri Sukayogindra saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, Sarpabhiruvulai na janulella nella nella sarasa bhakshyamulu vrukshamula modala sarpambulaku petta sarpambulunu munu sarpantakudu tammu champakunda pratimasamunu tama bhaga bhakshyambulu ಆ ಪಕ್ಷಿರಾಜುನ ಕಿಚ್ಚಿ ಬ್ರತುಕುಚುಂಡ. In the past, all the snakes used to get scared from Garutman. Humans also used to get scared from snakes. So that is why humans used to give food to snakes. Snakes are supposed to give the part of share of their food to Garutman. That is how the agreement. But one of those days, Kaliya, because he is very arrogant, thinking that his poison is very severe, so he did not give the share that's supposed to go to Garutman. But he himself ate everything without eating to Garutman. Like that, Sri Sukayogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 16th chapter 1st श्लोक. अभयं सत्त्वसंशुद्धिः ज्ञानयोगव्यवस्थितिः दानं दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्यायः तप आर्जवम्. अभयं सत्त्वसंशुद्धिः ज्ञानयोगव्यवस्थितिः दानं दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्यायः तप आर्जवम्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.